Alright, so widgets on your WordPress blog are basically things that you can just add content and features to your sidebar of your page or your blog. That's pretty much what a widget is. Now, if we over here on our WordPress dashboard, if we go to Appearance and we click on Widgets, WordPress always comes default with a group of widgets. And you can see those here. Archives, calendar, categories, custom menu, meta, search, etc., etc. Now, the most common ones are always like recent comments and recent posts, things like that. If we go to our website, these are our widgets over here on the right-hand side. The search bar is a widget. The recent post, widget, recent comments, widget. These are all widgets on your sidebar. And you can customize how this works and how it looks. So if we go back to our settings here, you will see on the main sidebar, these are the widgets that we just seen on our page. Now, themes have different widget areas. For example, if this theme has its main sidebar, on some page, you can create a page on this theme where the sidebar is on the left-hand side. And in that case, you would edit this widget area for the way you want that sidebar to look. And they have all these different templates here, and you have to customize each widget area for that certain template. And since we're working with the main template, we're going to work with the main sidebar, okay? Now, these are all the basic ones: the recent posts, the recent comments, the meta, things like that. You can add a text widget. How you add it is you simply click it and you drag it, and you pull it over here, and you drop it wherever you want it to be on your page. So say I wanted a text widget above my search bar. I drop it there. You can give it a title and text. And you can use this text for HTML. You can add HTML. You can add images. You can add an advertisement. You can add a video. Any kind of HTML, you can add it in this area. So let's say a title. I just want a title that says my widget area and text. I messed that up really bad. Then you click on Save. Go back to our page, refresh it, and you can see my text area, my widget area. Look at all my widgets, and you can use this area for anything. You can make an announcement over here. If you have a lot of readers, you can use this for an announcement, and you can add extra widgets. This isn't your only option for widgets. You have more options than this here. There's actually, if you go to the WordPress plugin section and you search the tags for widgets, you will see these are all plugins that add some sort of widget to your WordPress website. And I will put a link to this list in the right side of this video in the description. Now, I personally like to remove the meta. I don't like the archives. And if you want to remove it, you simply just click it and you drag it off like that right there. Pretty simple. Okay, I like the search menu. The recent posts are okay and the recent comments are okay. And let's see, I'll take the categories off. Okay, so I have just this. This little bar up here means it was loading. It's done loading. Let's go back and refresh it. Awesome, there we go. See, I got my widget area, my search bar, my recent posts, my recent comments. Pretty simple, right? And like I said, you can find plugins from the link on the right-hand side. You can add more widgets of your likings, a Flickr photo gallery, a YouTube video, and we can add let's add a YouTube video real quick so you can see how that looks. Let's go back here. What we're going to do is we're going to drag a text again. Click and drag the text one over here. We're going to drop it at the top. Let's name it. You don't have to use a title, by the way. I'm not going to use a title. Now let's get a YouTube video. Okay, I have one here. I'm going to go to Share, get the embed code, copy this. Let's go back to our widget dashboard here. Let's paste the code and save it. Okay, now let's refresh our website. And there you go. The video is now embedded inside of the widget area. It has a nice little border on it. Pretty cool, right? So like I said, you can embed any kind of HTML into the widget area using the text widget. Recent posts, recent comments, and you can really just customize this any way you wanted to. You can add an email opt-in form, which I'm going to do in a later video. Pretty much anything you can think of. And it's really simple to navigate and move through. And like I said, you just drag them off if you don't want them, and you drag them over if you want them on there. Pretty simple.